Hi, my name is Tim with OS College, and this is a quick video for Microsoft Office Online. And today we are going to be looking at Excel and simply performing an average of numbers in a row of cells. And so what you simply do is in the Home ribbon in Microsoft, your Microsoft Excel worksheet and workbook, and I'm simply using this in Microsoft Edge, the web browser, on Microsoft Windows 10, but this can be performed in just about any web browser on Mac and just about any Linux distro as well. So simply go to this editing section in the Home ribbon, and the drop-down menu for AutoSum has a list of different formulas and functions, such as sum, but the one we want is average. Click average, and it tells and asks you, and it puts a formula in the selected cell. I guess I should also demonstrate this part first, where get out of that and select the desired cell where you want to put the average in. So I'm going to put it here in C7, and then we go back and click the AutoSum drop-down menu and click average, and then we select our cells. So I'm going to do this, and I'm simply going to drag all the cells, and you can see it puts the range in parentheses from A1 through A6, and then simply press return, and it gives you the average. And this is how you can perform it in Microsoft, get the average in a worksheet on Microsoft Excel Online. And this has been a quick video from OS College for Microsoft Office Online. We also have quick videos for LibreOffice, Google Drive, Google's Office Suite, and OnlyOffice. Be sure to check out other videos on the OS College YouTube channel and click subscribe and like to receive updates, receive notifications for other videos. You also can check out more information about the various Office suites we cover on the OS College website. And we are also on Facebook and other social media sites. Thank you for watching.